What's up? Do you guys remember how we used to do it? Had a big table right here, and I would have something covering up the critter, and I'd be like, what's under door number 1? And then there'd be a critter, and we'd skin it, and it was so enjoyable. Not because it was a dead critter. We were just sorting out something that was dead. We were going through it. We were making it beautiful. And then the whole world changed. YouTube says, that's not okay. And I went through this slump of, oh man, I don't know how to make it delicate. I don't know how to clean this up. It's never going to be okay to the person that doesn't know anything about hunting or doesn't really understand life or death. And so we're going to try and do a rat skull today using a Waterpik. Hang in there.
What? A Waterpik? Who in their right mind? You would be amazed how many people asked if you could clean a skull with a Waterpik. And the truth be told, I had no idea. But we did have one in the bathroom, as I've had 2 kids with braces. So I thought, heck, let's try it.
That ain't a rat. That's a squirrel.
You know the drill here. Just remove the skull from the body and remove as much meat and tissue as you can right now.
My rat turned into a squirrel. Whoops. Alright, so I'm going to take it inside. It's the same answer. It doesn't matter if it was a rat or whatever. So I'm going to take it inside and I'm going to drop it in a pot and boil this in the kitchen because it doesn't make sense to fire up the big old boiler. So let's do a little boiling.
Man, here's where things just get epic. So I'm going to put that skull down in a pot. I'm going to put a little salt, different video. I'm going to put a little soap in there, and I'm just going to bring it to a boil until the skin on top of the head or the nose splits. Then I'm going to pull it out and hit it with the Waterpik. Remember, as a Whitebone rule, you're going to want to spray into every hole and every orifice. Anywhere there's meat or tissue, make it go away. Wait, what? That's it? We can't use traditional Whitebone skull washing music? Somebody find me a harp. No. We do one thing here.
Do you think I cheated you out of a video here? I didn't. I can't teach you one way and then get a request for something else, then do it for clicks or views. It's not how we do things. The truth is the Waterpik is just not enough pressure. It's just not. It doesn't work in the initial stages. Now, I hit it with the power washer, blew off the majority of stuff. So now there's some tight stuff around the nose and the brain. I've reboiled. I put it in there. It's got a hole. Everything's really loose now. Let's see if it'll take off any more material now.
I'm calling it. Don't waste your time or your money. No Waterpik. Clean enough. Let's whiten. In a pot, I have some water, and I'm going to put a splash of 40% by volume liquid developer. This is a 12% peroxide that I get from the beauty supply. I'm going to bring it to a boil, turn off the heat, and then rinse off all the loose debris. With everything clean and white, we're going to set it in the sun to dry, then glue on any parts that fell off, and enjoy that beautiful skull.
Y'all, wrapping up the squirrel and the Waterpik. You can see from the video, I really don't think it's a viable option to use that in lieu of a power washer, even if you can't afford a power washer. We did get the skull clean. I did power wash. This thing, everything got done within about 15 or 20 minutes all total. What I would do for sure is drop this skull in acetone for a week and a half, something like that, because it will absolutely color up. You do a skull that fast, that quick, it'll eventually take on a lot of its own natural oils. Acetone will dissolve it, and then you can recolor, but that's neither here nor there. This was about, will a Waterpik clean a skull? I'm sure it will, but it's less than desirable. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.